Today we're going to talk about a great Blender add-on that can be used for adding photorealism to your models if you don't have time or if you're not experienced enough to do it yourself. Because you can use one of these presets available by default, or you can use the extensive features of the manual editing to get the exact look you're after. Sometimes 3D models don't have to be perfectly clean, flat, or scratchless if we want them to look more believable. That's why clean models look less realistic to the human eye and something always seems off. But this Blender add-on comes to fix these kind of problems by helping you to quickly add surface imperfections like dust, smudges, fingerprints, and so on. To start, you just need to select the part of the model or the whole thing if it is just one piece, and then select a particular material and add a smudger setup. There are actually a few presets you can choose from, like brand new, dusty, very old, and so on. You need to select the material and then add dust. You will see some dust with a custom white color and a random influence map that you can change manually at any moment if you want, because there are few to choose from. You can control scale, rotation, the density of the dust, in addition to other parameters. If you are not satisfied, you can even paint your own from the influence map parameters after you activate it. You can also add scratches with one of the 15 included forecast scratch maps. You can also control many parameters that can help you have a better control over how many scratches you have on the surface, in addition to how big and how deep. You can add smudges and stains with one of the 25 included forecast smudge maps. This is another way of adding even more imperfection to surfaces that might need more realism and believability. Another thing you can do using this add-on is water droplets for glass if you want to show glass or transparent surfaces in general in a better way. In addition to edge wear, which is a way to show damage on the edges of all surfaces especially. To be honest, this is an oversimplification of what Smudgr Addon can do, because there are many parameters that can give you more control to help you achieve more fantastic and more realistic results. Also, something I want to mention is that sometimes the materials of your models are too complicated to be connected automatically by the add-on, so you will have to connect it manually in the shader editor. If you want to use this add-on on your projects, you can find it on the Blender Market. Links in the description. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.